How to create a shortcut on Snapchat. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can create a shortcut on Snapchat. So basically, shortcut is a feature on Snapchat which allows users to create shortcuts for their most frequently or favorite contacts. So I'll tell you all the process in this video how you can do that. So first of all, you simply need to open up Snapchat. Once you're on your Snapchat, the next thing you need to do is simply click a snap. So you guys can see that I have taken a snap on my Snapchat. The next thing you need to do is you need to tap on next. After that, you would be able to see a shortcut icon on the top right corner under the group section. So simply tap on that. Over here, you guys can see that I have created a shortcut with this emoji, which are my close friends. So you guys can create a new shortcut by simply tapping on new shortcut. Once you tap on that, now you can select in all the contacts you want to be in this shortcut of yours. For example, I'm selecting these people. Now tap on choose emoji, click on any of the emojis you want to, for example this one, and then tap on create shortcut. So now you guys can see that I have created a new shortcut for myself. Also, you guys can create other shortcuts by simply tapping on new shortcut, and all the shortcuts will be created and they will appear right in front of you. And whenever you're trying to send in a snap, simply click on any of these emoji, which will also appear on the top over here. You don't even need to tap on shortcut, and then you will be able to send the snap to whatsoever contact you have selected in that shortcut. So yeah, that was for today. Let me know in the comment section below if this video helped you guys. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.